Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can join a private server in Roblox. So the first thing that you will have to do is open Roblox and select the game that you would want to join uh, a private server in. So once you're here, you will look for the private server section. So sometimes it is called VIP users. So once you see that, you will just have to make sure that you have the server link or the invite, and then you will just have to tap it and join server. And if the server is paid, you will ensure that you have enough Robux. So you will just have to click buy server access, and then once purchased or invited, you will just have to tap join, and you are now in the private server. And by the way, you could just create a private server anytime, and it would cost you Robux. So make sure that you have enough for that. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.